Greeting from Johnson. Today we would like to introduce our decoder. This tube, this is the smallest one. This one item number is ZY-RM5 and this is ZY-8. This tube is same but just from the different manufacturers. Now I would like to show you how it works on this one. It's with this holder and a case of alphabets and numbers, some symbols. Alphabet is put on the holder in this way. Slide it on and put this rubber, fix it in this way. It has 3 lights, 1, 2, 3, and then put it on. Like this. It can change every time. Rotate it, put it on, press it, and then rotate, lock it onto the holder. Now I show you how it works. This alphabet can change every time, and the size of the letters are 2 by 4 millimeters. I already make it heating for 5 minutes. Remember to put this rubber pad onto the machine when you are using it. Press. It's like this. It's not fade out. Okay, thank you for watching.